Hello, it's Tara from Jula Design Studio, and today I'm going to walk you through using a Canva template that you've purchased from my shop. So when you purchase a template, you're going to receive a PDF with a Canva download link in it. So you're going to open the PDF. In this PDF, I'm going to step through each step with you. The first thing you're going to do is click the button, and that will bring you to the second step, which is down here, and that will have you click on the Use Template button. Number 3 will be log into Canva or create a free Canva account if you don't already have one. And 4 is edit the template, download it, and print. So if you need to watch the tutorial at any other point, you can click on the tutorial link. It'll bring you right back to where we are right now. So let's step through this. We're going to edit this Santa kit right now. So I click the button, and as promised, we're going to get a Use Template. So I've logged out of my Canva. So what you're going to want to do right here is choose how you log into Canva. I use Google, but you can do Facebook, you can do it with an email, however you want. If you haven't signed up, you will be given the option to sign up for a new free Canva account. Canva is super cool, you should use it. I'm going to log in with my Google. And I've brought up the actual template which I've purchased from myself. So this one is a Santa kit. It gives me all sorts of things for Christmas for you to edit and download. It's a super cool kit. You should check it out if you haven't. But let's just work on the very first item. So in this particular one, you can click on the different items. This is with every Canva template. You can click on all the different items. So right here, I can't click. That's not editable on purpose. But you can change all the text in this. So I can say Christmas family letter. And because it's too big, I can size it down. I can say whatever I want, direct from the home of the pages. I can customize this to be whatever I would like it to be. I can put in wishing you the happiest holidays ever. You get what I'm doing. So you can create whatever you would like. Of course, I made this to be a letter to Santa, so your kids can write a letter to Santa, but you can do it for your Christmas letters, whatever you like. You basically click and edit. Pretty simple. You can go down to the different pages and do what you like on all of these different pages and download. Lots of my templates just have one, some have multiple. So when you're done, you're going to share and you're going to hit download. So if you would like to print this, you can download as a PDF for print, which would be my suggestion if you're printing it at home. If you would like to print it as a photo, I would suggest downloading as a PNG. If you do PNG, make sure you size it nice and big because you want it to be a high quality file to print out. Don't do a teeny one here because it's going to be pretty low resolution. So printing at home on this, I would suggest definitely doing the download PDF. So let's just do it right now for print. You can choose all pages, you can choose just the one. I'll do all. So you're going to download it and it'll take a minute. You'll see the downloading progress. And then when it's done, it will go to your downloaded directory, wherever that may be on your computer, with your changes into it. On my computer, it gives me a nice little button down here at the bottom, so I can just click on it. And there you go. It's got the actual image with my wording right inside of it. So it's really simple to use Canva. I suggest you use it when you can. And I hope this helps you with how you would edit a Canva template with a Jula Design Studio editable Canva template. Thanks so much. Have a great day, guys.